Now you can use stickers to make your videos more engaging and keep your viewers hooked. You click on the sticker icon. Then you click on this plus sign here to add your picture as a sticker. Please make sure it's a white background. Then you click on this icon right here to remove the background. Then you click on OK. Next thing you want to do is to double tap on the sticker and click on Set Duration. Click and drag these edges to reduce or increase the duration. Now you can click and drag this sticker to wherever you want on your main clip. Use your thumb and your index finger to zoom in and out to increase the size of your sticker and adjust it to wherever you want on your screen. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now we are going to add moving stickers to our video just like this. First we head over to CapCut and we click on New Project. Then you select your main clip. When you touch down on this page, you click on Overlay. Then you click on Add Overlay. Here you select the video you want to use for your moving sticker. Please make sure the video was recorded in a white background. Now let us take off the background from our overlay by clicking on Remove Background. Click on Auto Remove and we're done. Now you adjust your overlay to your preferred size and location on your screen. Now you can click and drag the edges of your overlay to trim off the unwanted clips. Now you can decide to spice things up by adding animation to your overlay. Now I'm going to add more spice by adding filters to my overlay. Now click on this button up here and change this to 1080 pixels. Then you click on Export. And we're done. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, all the best.